Hey guys, and welcome to our channel. In this one we're talking about how to make a Stickman POV animation with Gemini. So just open up a Gemini app and also don't forget to select the video tool. If it's absent, don't worry. If it's not here, you can just then type in a prompt. Just don't forget to explain that you're looking to create a video. Also guys, don't forget that some certain features in the Google Gemini might be locked behind a paywall, so you can just go ahead and browse the plans. If you want to make sure that you have everything, then just buy maybe a basic one, and then yeah, you will have all the functionality. But in general, you can just type in this kind of prompt. Just don't forget to add that it's a video. Just add create a video of, and then you can just type it in. And don't forget about the thinking model, it's way better. So also, why we explain this is it just has to be stated so that the POV effect is applied. Then also in the May of this year's update, you can refine the motion. So for example, at a boss fight at the end, make the Stickman draw a glowing blue sword. So as you can see, I can't create, you actually need your subscription. And then also VO 3.1 includes native audio. So you can just tell Gemini this kind of prompt after. Don't forget that you need a subscription for this. And Gemini will generate an 8-second clip with synced sound effects automatically. So yeah, don't forget to upgrade your subscription fast, otherwise you won't be able to use these kind of features, and your imagination is now the director. Hopefully this guide helped you with your prompts and how to animate your vision. If so, like and subscribe.